Okay, now we will fix the ceiling. You will like this, take out ceiling. The screw take out. We take out, then we put inside here. And we put the ring. After we fix the arm, we try to make it so tight. After we make, we can adjust as the design what we want. Now we can see here it's black and white. Each one has two colors, black, white and black, white, black, white, black. We try to fix all the black together. We fix all the black together and all the white together. We add one small wire in the white. And we use the red cup, just we put and turn. You turn till you find they hold it all, will be all together. Also the black we do the same. We add one small wire. This is just the way to make it easy to fix it together in fast way. And also we add the red cup what is come inside. We turn it. And now it's ready to use. We put the connector and ready to fix it to the electric, and you fix it in the ceiling.